Alright, so I'm looking at the Xbox controller, and I had set up the duplicate special instance, right? Which I made a Word document about how to do the duplicate special, but before that I had to set up the vertices so that they're straight, to use a scale tool, and then also so that the pivot point, right, is down the middle. Everything is on the Word document to show what was done. After that, what I did was I deleted what are considered redundant edges that was going across this way, the seam lines that was created over here, going along here and going along here. The reason why is that right now it's too early to make those seam lines, and I also deleted one that was going down here, and as you can see, the overall shape is still here, right? It didn't compromise the overall shape. And the other reason why, well, I didn't fully explain why I deleted, is that we need to block out the shape more before adding those seam lines, because those seam lines need to be added afterwards. Because right now, more of the base mesh needs to be built up and shaped accordingly, and that's the reason why I deleted those seam lines. And they're just it would be too hectic to try to block out the shape with those seam lines in there. The way I used it was using the target weld tool. That part I didn't record. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to block out the shape some more. I put the layers, I put the orthographic images and display layers, and they're set to reference. The other thing too is I noticed this part where I'm gonna grab this, and then I'm gonna make a copy of it. I'm gonna chuck it over here. Actually, I'm gonna chuck it on top. I'm gonna hide my grid for now. So this is what I'm looking for, making this bend, because right now it's almost there. These lines will play an important role, right, to help bend it. But I need to make another cut line here. Total of probably two. One here, this one needs to be around here, another one here, so it'll bend. Yeah. So that's the plan. Right, that part is missing. And the seam lines, like I said, will only make things more hard. I also went in here and I scaled this guy, right? I might have scaled it a little bit bigger. I also kind of chucked it over a little bit so that it'll fit to the actual mesh controller. So there might be some discrepancies. Yeah, there might be some discrepancies. Right now we're seeing some. Let me hide the grid. Let's turn on X-ray, press 5. Let's see. Let's see if I can mess with this. Something like that. Right around there. So see, even this part too. Yeah, see. Hopefully things will eventually align. That's why the seam lines have to be wiped out. There's more stuff that needs to be blocked in. Yeah, but overall, it's gonna definitely be coming along. Let's clean things up. This part here. modeling toolkit, make sure soft selection is off. If you see this, turn off. It happens a lot. Alright, so there's this thing called transform constraint, and it will allow you to either edge slide, so slide along the edge like that. And what I'm doing is I'm just touching it up so that the spacing of the faces are more balanced. And see how it's sliding along the edge, it's not compromising the overall shape. I'm just making it cleaner. This part here. Spacing. And this could be straight. Click, double click. Maybe I'll just turn this off for a moment. Press R. Get flat using that one. So your eyes will start to see a balance, right? And when things start to get balanced out nicely, it'll be less intimidating to try to make everything work out. Like this part here, that needs to be a merge vertices again. That's merge vertices. Hover over it some more. Target weld. Like that. That's what I use to clean up the leftover stuff. Oh shit. Oh yeah, these guys need to be fixed. These are bad. Okay, good. Then like this stuff, edge slide. And I know that's gonna kind of change the shape slightly, but it's okay. Spacing. Right now we're working on the spacing. Ooh. Target weld tool. I need to do an incremental save. Control Alt S for incremental save. Ooh. What the hell? That was weird. Good thing I caught that. If I edge slide. Over there too. We'll work on this after. Edge slide. Spacing. Sometimes I use the edge to grab a whole chunk, almost like grabbing two vertices at the same time. That's why I go between sliding vertices or sliding edges. Vertices for specific little sections. Alright, so it's already starting to clean up a lot. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. Always gotta remember. Then from here, maybe this I'm gonna just straighten, right? Because it'll help to maintain the mass, the shape. That way to prevent skewing. That's the reason why I'm doing this. It also helps to clean things up. Maybe this one, straighten it. Maybe I'll just straighten that whole bunch. This one too. And you could press 3 key, look at it upside down, and you notice that things haven't been compromised in a bad way. And right now I'm just using the arrow tools, right, to kind of block out nice chunks. The reason why I'm doing this is, so that my eyes can read things better. You know what, let me just check my camera. Yeah, you want this to be 90. It helps to deal with distortion. Near clip plane 0.01. That's for you can come in closer and not have the camera clip into the model. Alright, let's grab some of it, like this right here. Ooh. I thought it's... Huh. Could have swore I welded that. You know what? There might be some hidden vertices. I'm gonna grab all of it. Shift right click, merge vertices option box. Again, merge vertices option box. 0.005. Right now there's 224. Let's see if it reduces anything. Looks like it's okay. We welded any hidden vertices. I'm just sliding. This just requires a lot of patience. Let me turn on my anti-alias. Make the lines nice and clean. Press 3, and you notice the shape is still there. I'm gonna pull up to prevent skewing, maintain the width. See, you can already tell. It's getting easier on the eyes, meaning that it doesn't look as intimidating. See, there we go. See? See that there's a harmony to the shape. See? And it's still maintaining it. But soon we gotta start blocking things in. Kinda wanna see. Oh. Whatever. Just ignore what I'm doing. I like to work from the right side. I don't know why. I feel like I'm going backwards when I'm using the left orthographic. Right, so I'm setting the stage so that to block in, to make to cut a line through here and move this guy here midway and add another line here so I can start to bend this thing. Alright, so let me see, what time is it? 15 minutes. I'll do another 5 minutes to make it 20 minutes even. Then I'm gonna make another one. Kinda wanna grab this and this. Kinda wanna slide that. Even spacing. Flattening it. All I want to see right now is like uniformity. Like I don't want to see things like this and like this, you know what I mean? And things go down suddenly like that and things like this, right? Because it kind of screws with my eyes. But if it's flat, I can read it better. So I can go in later on and touch everything up. Like this here, flat. May not look the greatest, but the main point right now is just to block everything out. Grab that, flat. See, you can start reading it better. See what I mean? Even here right now, I wanna grab all of it, right? Press R, flat. This looks like it's bulging out, right? Probably saw that. So I'm toggling between 1 and 3. Tuck that in a bit. See? Not too bad. Then, you know what? This might be a little bit risky. Damn it. Get lost. Frick. Like that. See what I mean? Straight line, see that? That's what I'm going for. Click. This, right? It's hard for the eyes to analyze what the hell is happening. But if you go in and flat, make it flat like a pancake, right? It's easier to read. See? Before, after, right? Because we're going to use these to bend it like an accordion. Press 3. There you go. Even with these, see that? That means I grab the, I'm going to move that freaking thing. See, top and bottom. I can just flatten it. Grab that. Right, that's this here and that there. Flatten it. Flatten it. See, bottom, top, flat, flat. But I'm not grabbing from the center. From the center does this. That you don't do, just from the sides. This is the only time you grab from here and here and scale for the most part. Right now I'm just aligning the vertices just so I could get some balance. And still, the shape is still overall the same. See, this I don't like. See this right here? Right here, see how it dents in? I mean, it's not a big deal, but maybe I shouldn't focus so much on it, but still. That I don't like. Maybe I shouldn't. Yeah, I won't do that. So. Okay, wait, now I can stop. Should I flatten that? Yeah, it looks okay. Should I flatten this? So I'm coordinating between here and here. Sometimes you see this and this. Flat. This and this. Flat. Straight up and down. This and this. Smash. Smash. Press 3. More or less still the same. See? So you got some this going on, which can be fixed. This I don't like. Flat. Make it flat. Okay. Just those two. Make sure nothing else is selected. Press 4. Press 5. Flat. 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 Make sure constraint is off. Flat. Flat. Grab here and hold shift and double click, so when you grab this little section, again, click here, hold shift, double click, quickly select it. Grab here, up to here, damn it, here, here, here. Press 4. The reason why I'm also flattening it, right, is that it holds the volume, the structure, and I like to also the shading is a little bit skewy right now. I like to do a mesh display, harden edge. I'll select it first. Okay. I like to see faceted right now. Beat it. Beat it. See? This and this. Coordinate with the top view. And here. Smash. 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 Screw it. Smash. 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 Because we'll make it plump later. smash. What is these two? See? See that? See that? Smash. Smash. We'll make all the nice organic bending later on. Smash. 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 And it will allow you to shape it more easy too. Less for the eyes to analyze. See, this is skewing out. And smash. Smash. Grab all of that. Press R. Smash. See, it still looks pretty much the same, more or less. And also I noticed this, see right there? Right, see? Stretching. You see this cutting across here? Ba 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 ba. Right? What you could do is, instead of that, you could just well, let me do it. Incremental save. Name this file. So also the spacing, right, of the faces. I'm gonna work on that right now, right here, the spacing. That spacing right here, the stretching, right, that also correlates to here to add cut lines, like here, maybe here, move this further back. Anyway, so see the stretching? Now I feel a bit better about adding more resolution. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, straight. Good, good, good. What is this? This and this. No, might as well just grab just these three and smash it flat. Easier to deal with. See, this is what I'm doing. I'm just easier for me to just push and pull so I can make it plump later. I don't see any crazy overlapping lines. Easier for me to just see and read things, kind of like in drawing. See, this here looks crazy. All I know is that see, now I can feel safer. Flat, flat. Flat, flat. Flat, flat, pull, flat, 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 flat. This is fine, even though it looks boxy, right? It's fine. See right there, this is what I want. Get spacing here, it's getting nuts. Pull, pull, spread it out more. Yeah, there you go. Clean it up. There you go. I think it's gonna be flowing. Still looks the same, see? But now it looks super clean. That's intimidating. Now I feel a bit better about cutting. Ba 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 ba. First, let me save. Multi-cut. Click. 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 You know what? I'm gonna save this file, right? Demo file. I'm gonna name it Xbox controller hand off to Alright, so that was 35 minutes, and okay, so this is to show how I cleaned it up, right? And you don't have to necessarily do this, right? What you can do is follow along from here, right? Follow along from here, which I named it Xbox controller handoff for follow along, right? And then from here, whatever I do, you follow along, ba 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 ba, right? Because the cleanup part, you know, it's just good to show, right, and understand, right? And you could also do the cleanup too, but it's up to you. Or you could just start from here, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna cut the video. This was 37 minutes, and then like I mentioned, you can start from the second video, ba 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 ba, all of that stuff, which the major work will begin there. Okay? Yeah. All right. Bye.